Understanding Sun's Zenith, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, Sun's Zenith. It's a phrase that beautifully combines astronomical terms with everyday language. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Sun's Zenith is a phrase composed of two words, sun and zenith. The sun is our star, central to our solar system. The word zenith, on the other hand, is an astronomical term that refers to the point in the sky directly above an observer. So, when we talk about the sun's zenith, we mean the moment when the sun is at its highest point in the sky, as seen from a specific location on Earth. This is often around noon, but the exact time varies depending on the location and the time of year. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. You might say, the game started at the sun's zenith, under the harsh midday sun. Or, in a more metaphorical sense, the artist's career reached its sun's zenith with that masterpiece. Here, it signifies a peak or high point, aligning with the literal meaning of the sun being at its highest in the sky. Apart from its literal meaning, sun's zenith can have symbolic connotations. It often represents a peak, climax, or a time of greatest power or success. In literature, this phrase might be used to depict the high point of a character's journey or a pivotal moment in a plot. I hope this explanation sheds light on the beautiful phrase, sun's zenith, and helps you use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words, but the imagery and ideas they evoke. Keep exploring and see you in the next video.